Improve your cold email outreach for free in under 10 minutes. Let me show you how. First, you're going to use user data to identify each one of your customer avatars. You're going to use that to identify the pain points for each profile. Based on those, you'll develop targeted messaging that addresses each customer's specific needs. And you can personalize your outreach based on the customer's job title and company size. Then you can create segmented outreach campaigns and sit back as your calendar fills up. Anybody can make these email campaigns. All you need is a laptop and a ChatGPT subscription. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step for everything you need to know to get started. Hi, I'm Omer Jory. I've been building data analytics platforms for 5 years, most recently at Amazon. I've also started a couple of SaaS businesses. I'm going to show you how to get the most important user data on your business without fancy tools. Let's get started. So to start off, you need to gather data on your product reviews. So go to G2 and identify your product listing. In our case, we'll use Cleverbridge. So to get these user reviews, you can download the free Chrome extension ExtractG2. Go to ExtractG2.com, get the free Chrome extension, then you'll get this icon. When you click that icon, it'll extract all the reviews from that page. If you get the premium version, it includes the job title and company size for each reviewer. So now that we bulk scrape these reviews, we have a goldmine of user feedback and insights. We have the user data, which contains likes, dislikes, the customer use case, the problems that they're solving. With the premium version, I'll pull that up in a second. We also have the job title and company size. I pulled up the premium reviews for Cleverbridge. We have author, their job title, their company size, the star rating, as long as their review text here. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this and actually open up ChatGPT. And now we're going to use AI in order to identify the common likes, dislikes, and use cases for every type of user. So we're going to paste the scraped reviews into ChatGPT. And we're going to use this prompt. With this prompt, we're asking ChatGPT to get the common pain points, the features every user loves the most, unexpected benefits, most importantly, the language that every user uses. That specific terminology is going to help them feel a lot more understood. And we're going to break that down by customer avatar. So let's paste it. ChatGPT has broken down by customer avatar. A really interesting analysis here. For every company size, it's broken down the most common job titles. It's given us the pain points, features, unexpected benefits, and language. It's done that for each type of company size, various titles, and also gave us, at the end here, things common across all segments. So the next thing, now that our data is organized by customer avatar, we can develop targeted messaging that addresses each one of their needs. So we can also use AI for that. Let's use this prompt. And here we're just asking ChatGPT here to create personalized email content for each one of the avatars in its analysis. And asking it to produce email snippets and templates for each segment so we can communicate the value proposition, which it also got from the user data, and address every customer's specific needs. So now we can see ChatGPT for every one of those job titles, for every one of those company sizes, it's created a separate email snippet, which specifically addresses the customer complaints of that customer avatar. So you can see here, for enterprise, we've got CTO, CFO, marketing manager, etc. Different set of job titles for mid-market customers, and same for small businesses. So each one of these email snippets can become its own a segment of an email campaign. And what you want to do is, start off with these emails and then iterate, see what works, try new things, and you can still refine these email templates based on the campaign performance with ChatGPT. So that is how you create personalized email campaigns in under 10 minutes. I'm Omer Jory. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for daily updates. And if you like this content, if you want to see more, if you have any content requests, Like this video and comment below.